Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see how we can create this presentation. As you can see, it has a great zoom effect. I kind of like it. Let's see how we can create it. At first, we need to create a blank space. And in the blank space, we add our picture. This is a picture and nothing more. And add two other blank space. Copy and add our pictures. But some of you may have some problem. Some of you maybe ask why the pictures are looking like they are darker. I'm going to tell you. Okay, add three pictures. This picture is darker. Okay, we added our three pictures. Now we just need to add the text. The text is some easy text. I copy them, but I'm going to tell you how to create them. But just for now, let's copy them because I don't want to take lots of time from you. And in this video, I hope if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you see this text is created by using impact font, and also I use this art for this, you see, and for this I used a auto font and also this art. Okay, we create our text and our pictures. Now how we can create this zoom effect? It's easy. We go in slide and click on insert, and here click on zoom, and we just simply add a slide 6 here. You see, we have a problem. We mustn't add it like this. We add it like this, a slide, and then it's here. We go here and insert a slide zoom for slide 7. Okay, now we need to decrease it in size. We hold Ctrl and Shift, then increase it, decrease it. Don't forget, when you are decreasing the size, you must never rotate it. Okay, we decrease it. You see, you mustn't rotate it. It's good. Now we have it here. We go here and do the same thing. Press Ctrl, hold Ctrl and Shift. You see, it's rotated. We bring it back to the original rotation, then decrease it in size. Okay, it's good. Now we just run the pictures. Okay, you see, it's really amazing. But when you rotate the picture, it goes like this. It's up to you which kind of transition you like. I hope you enjoy this. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.